Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maybelline. I hope you guys staying safe at home and doing very well. Today I'm gonna show you a brief makeup tutorial video. You wanna know the ideal makeup that I put on my face? Please watch the video until the end and you will see the surprise. Bye! Okay guys, before we start, I'm gonna tell you that I usually use two different types of foundations. I have Este Lauder. I usually use it for performance in Maybelline, and I usually use it for hanging out with my friends or going to the university. Then the last one is Makeup Forever powder. This is really good. It's for all type of skin. But right now I think I'm gonna use Maybelline because it's not too heavy and you can use it like every day. So usually I spray my face with the priming water. Purpose of spraying your face with the prime water because it will make your face fresher. You have to tap it simultaneously until you feel like it covers every part of your face. Okay, as you can see, it's like a small pimple. Then we can cover it with a concealer from Maybelline as well. Okay guys, so the next step is to put contour. I use contour. This is my favorite part. I use the darkest one. Put it like this. What happened? Okay, I bought this, an American brand. I don't really like it, but it has a scalp contour. You can apply that on your forehead. This is why I don't like it, because it's too dark. I don't want to make my face so dark. The reason why we need scalp contour is it will buffer and it will blend your foundation with your skin powder as well. So that's it. And guys, if you feel like this contour is not enough, then you can add the powder. Apply like this. I hate this. Okay, this is it. And then the next step is put powder under your eyes. It's like this. Then see the difference? The next step is to put blush on. I used Decay. I like it because it's pink, but it's not too pink as well. We had brown top. Just apply it. The next part is to fix my eyebrow. And the next step is to put eyeshadows on. I usually use the base from Covergirl, the glitter one. They look better if you want to put eyeshadow on. So for eyeshadow, I still use the same brand, Complexion. I start putting the light color, this pink one. Oh my gosh. You can see like the glitter is still there. It makes more lively. Yep. I would love to put a dark color one, a little bit at the edge, and then we can blend it later. Okay, if you want to blend it, use a smooth color, this one, and then you're gonna put a light here. Okay guys, the next step is to put eyeliner. So NYX, it's really great. So usually I don't want to use eyelashes, but right now I'm going to use it. So this is it. Sorry guys, I'm hungry. I really need it. I'm very glad that I have very nice roommate who always takes care of me. Okay. Next step is darken Eyebrow from Covergirl as well. Just a little thing. thing with makeup, guys, you have to understand what the character of your face. Sometimes this strategy doesn't work for every. Next step is to put the lipstick on. Before I put lipstick, I cover with the contour as well, like this. I do this because my lips are kind of like big, which I like smaller lips. And then I use this. I bought it from Sephora. I like nude color. You want to put more pinky, and then you can make this step. So this is my favorite highlighter from Este Lauder. It's really good. You can see the difference. Oh my gosh, here. Yeah. Okay. And lastly, guys, we should cover everything with a real powder, compact powder. Use Lauder mascara. I like this brand because it just like make my face lighter. You can see, right? I'll give you tips to make your lipstick still on for 24 hours. Powder. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Will make the color more blend than before. Okay, lastly, I want to put contour on my nose because I have a really sharp nose. Okay, never mind. Okay, guys, I think I want a little adventure. Okay, I'm done, and it's time to do my hair. Thank you guys for watching.